Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your trial with MasterClass step by step clearly. To cancel your trial with MasterClass, start by visiting their official website. Log into your MasterClass account using your email and password. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the options provided in the menu. In the Account Settings, find the Membership or Subscription section. Click on the Billing tab to review your current subscription details. You will see an option to manage your subscription. Click on the Cancel Membership or Cancel Trial button. A confirmation window will appear. Read the details carefully. If you're sure about canceling, confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm or Yes button. You should receive a confirmation email about your cancellation shortly after. Make sure to check your inbox for this email to ensure the cancellation was successful. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MasterClass customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any problems you may have during the cancellation process. That's it. You have now successfully canceled your MasterClass trial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.